Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make rice toner. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of white rice, preferably organic, and 2 cups of filtered water. Begin by placing the rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinsing it under cool running water for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial for removing any surface impurities and excess starch, ensuring a clean base for your toner. It also prepares the rice for optimal nutrient release. Now that your rice is clean, transfer it to a clean, non-metallic bowl or a glass jar. Pour in the 2 cups of filtered water, ensuring the rice is fully submerged. This soaking process is where the magic happens, as the water absorbs the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the rice. Let it soak for a minimum of 30 minutes, but for a more potent toner, you can extend this to up to 2 hours. Avoid soaking for too long, as it can ferment. Once your rice has soaked sufficiently, it's time to separate the liquid. Carefully strain the rice water into a clean, sterilized, airtight container, such as a glass bottle with a tight-fitting lid. You can use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth for this. The soaked rice can be discarded or repurposed for cooking. For optimal freshness and efficacy, store your homemade rice toner in the refrigerator. It will remain potent for up to 7 days. Using your new rice toner is simple and effective. After cleansing your face, dispense a small amount onto a cotton pad or directly into your clean hands. Gently pat or swipe it across your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. For best results, incorporate this into your skincare routine twice daily, in the morning and evening. Regular use can help brighten your complexion, minimize pores, and improve overall skin texture, giving you a radiant glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.